In this video, I will show you how to fix the camera not working on your device. First, open Settings, then scroll down and go to Apps. Now from this list of applications, scroll down and find Camera. Here, you want to scroll and find the option of Storage, tap on that. Now find the option of Clear Cache, tap on it. You can also tap on Clear Data. Keep in mind that this resets the camera app settings but won't delete your photos or videos. After clearing the data, open the camera app again and check if it is working. If the issue persists, restart your device. Press and hold the power button, then tap on Restart. Once your device turns back on, try opening the camera app again. You should also make sure that camera app has all the necessary permissions. To make sure, long press on the camera app, then tap on this app info icon. Here tap on permissions and ensure camera permission is enabled. If the camera is still not working, you want to update your device to the latest software version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.